Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia sent in this message to the landlord Erica, and she's saying basically that she don't need anyone to be sorry for her because she's okay. She was showing, her money and letting them know that she has money that she's able to change out into American dollars if she wanted to. Some woman said something to Erica, and that's what she is speaking about. So, guys, go ahead and catch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, have a happy birthday, and I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies out there celebrating that are, you know, just having a wonderful day today, please have yourselves a wonderful, wonderful day. And remember to keep that smile upon your face. And remember that, you have one life to live, and you're the only one who can give someone the power to take the smile away from you. So have yourselves a beautiful day today.
Thief, when me have couple of $100 in my purse, if me change with all kind of foreign money, if me change out that, me can go to the bank go exchange money and get it and get back in a currency with even if me dey broke, me can walk in any blood clot bank and say here, change out them here, give me the currency for them. Eh? If me did blood clot broke, me could have walk in any bumbo clot bank. You know how much money there, sir? You know how much money there, sir? You know how much blood clot money there, sir? For change out back in a US dollar and get back my money? If me broke and want money? Eh? The only blood clot money when no value nothing in Jamaican dollars. That's the only money when no value nothing in here. So everybody where so make a couple $100 this. That's when me travel around the world and collect money. Right here so. So if me even broke, me can't go a bank but change out back my money in a US dollar. Me just have them in my purse for souvenir if I buy one album and put them in a. You're bright and out hard. I can open my storage and say, here, come sell out my things them. You're bright and out of order. What may I lie to you for? What may I lying to you for? Where you gonna call Erica call my name? Me not even have your sheet, not here. Me not even when me get your money. Thursday me get your money. The one me talk to this man about that. Thursday and today Friday. Wednesday or Thursday, me get your money. And you gonna talk about that? The other person may have that money from the order of the one them the misorder. Me know who me talk to. Me know who me talk to this morning. Me not desperate over money. Me spend money. Me use the money. Me not frightened for money. I'm used to money. That's why me not fussy over money, because me know money can't do to people. Me use the money. Don't call me name out and scandal me. Yeah, you a whole heap of you go on social media if you carry a courthouse, Erica, me not lie. If you wasn't a dark shit, me carry a courthouse and sue you if you sell a piece of whole house there Jamaica. I mean know you hobby man, you love hobby man, and would have be hobby for hobby. Because that's all I do here. When people are carrying a court in the run, like how the woman frig up Marcia and all, with hobbies. Make the judge make them decision there. Them the stupid decision I don't even put woman on court stand. Everybody knows a witchcraft that. And I make the woman have to sell her land and her house them for pay them off money with dog bite and look how much dog bite or people at Jamaica and them don't even get not even penny for it. And court case and up until today they not put woman on trial. Marcia knows I will be working that. Your sick stomach. I want you with me. Me very transparent when it comes to my business. You talk about you're sorry for me. Sorry for who? Go sorry for your blood clot self. You can't sorry for somebody in a better position than you. The only asset you have is a little piece of house we have in Jamaica. You live in a blood clot third world country. 7,000 US dollars, $1 million Jamaica. Sorry for who, but you're sorry for your feel sorry for me. Sorry for who, none of who no blood clot can sorry for me, come I do better than all of who know we talk about me. Me not ask you. Go sorry for your motherfucking self. Sorry for who? You should have blood clot choke when you thought that. Me look like somebody for sorry for? Me look like somebody for sorry for. Look at you. Why you think you have so much people on your page? People come to look at your clownness and come to look how you're disgusting and how you're cranny. And take you for a blood clot idiot. And a bumble clot clown. Them say me and take the clown, I use a clown, them take out here. You're nobody. Use a waste matter. Use a walking blood clot cemetery. You're nobody. A dopey then come to look at and use a blood clot dopey. You're nobody. Any at all. You never, if you have some money in one way, me saw you. But all that me want. Me don't want to sue you. Me want to make your blood clot teeth them fly all the way from Portland straight to Mandeville, come back around Kingston Airport. And that you forget. Make you swallow them blood clot there. And that you forget. Me don't want the money from you. You need to put it down. If you go put the couple block at the subpulka where you have in your blood clot bathroom, where you see a bathroom, where you see a tub for bathing. You need the money. If you go put up here the rest of 5 block, if you bury your blood clot, not that pussy clot, like a vampire, and stick one cross down in there. Me don't want for your money. A punishment you forget. Are you me sorry for? Me sorry for you. You are sorry for me. Me sorry for you. I pity your nasty pussy clot. At that you fi sleep and say I'm me sorry and pity you. That is it. At that you fi look at. Without me in a name. Me the star boy. Yeah. Look at the amount of people that on your page. 500 and 600 fear you talk about the big deal. Nobody you can't talk about on social media and give them the views there. One blood clot name out here is Marcia Campbell. And it has sweet you. And it has sweet you every time you call me name, I get the views them. Because you're done out pussy hole. You're fucking thief. And you're scamming money and run out. Because where you have to pinch it because I have to bury your blood clot. So drunk gonna pick up your nasty pussy clot. So you don't want to touch it. You want pinch it and pinch it. Look how you come a foreign the other day and Canada refuse your blood clot nasty war himself. Canada where he easy if you get one visa and go. Canada where you pick up a refugee if you come out in country. The easiest visa if you get than the USA, Canada. And Canada refuse your nasty blood clot with your fake visa where you come a foreign and Canada turn you back. Eh? What about that? Eh? Blood clot Canada turn you back. Not even bumble clot Canada you can't come. Because Canada want in the country. And look how Canada easy if you go. All you have to tell Canada say you're a lesbian or batty man and then take it in the country. Not even look how your blood clot refuse to come to Canada and bomb clot Canada come to Jamaica pick up all the blood clot mongrel dog them and go on a foreign can come upon you and you couldn't go. You know shame bomb clot dirty girl. You know bomb clot shame. Canada come to Jamaica come pick up the blood clot dog them. The hungry belly mongrel dog them for out of the ghetto. And carry them go to Canada put on rascal plane and refuse a nasty workless pussy hole like a you. We drunk on your mouth all of your pussy and dash you over gully. Remember that. Drunk or refuse you and Canada refuse if you come and turn back your nasty ass out of the airport and take up Jamaica mongrel dog them off of the road and carry them in a plane and refuse you. What you have to say about that? What you have to say about that? What do you have to say about that? What do you have to say about that now? Canada refuse you and take dog. You know, see your value, nothing. You know, see your worth, nothing. Them not want a blood clot stinking pussy war in them country. They go and drip in them country. Canada clean. Me go Canada 10 years in a row. Go Caribana. Me used to go Canada every year go catch a bus in Manhattan. And stay in a Marriott hotel right down 10 minutes from the bus terminal. And go Caribana for much years in a row. And Canada clean. They don't want a dirty drunk like you in them country. Dirty landlord me I talk about. We name Erica the landlord. We come from Portland. One little drunk woman with 6 stomach we pick by me for the past 2 years now and go on and off and then she take set by me over 3 weeks now. I go in a month now. I interfere with me. And interfering with my business. Where you gonna call Erica for? You support, you person. Where you gonna call support? Where you gonna call? Where you gonna call and tell her for? Me not lie. Me get a little roast and me take it for the few days. It better me take it and know so me have to come on social media and say, wanna come buy this, at least me know me have something in my hand. Me come and New York to spend money, at least me can go back with something in my hand. You know how much for gas to go in my vehicle? Me drive a 6-cylinder truck. So any little change me can get in my hand, me I take that blood clot. Because if me come on social media, I go say, wanna give me some money towards the gas, wanna not give to me. So if me can come and me can get back, one money if you go back up with, for whatever, I'm going to take it. A sheet now going nowhere. Me can't run out of sheet. Me have sheet in my house. Me have quilt in my house. Me have curtain in my house. And me know where the place to go buy it. And if me don't have the money to buy it, I may call upon my family them and tell them, say, listen, the supporters them want something, whatever, them will give it to me. So what is the sense of waiting if me say to you, say, whatever to do? You think say me don't want to ship out no things? This is the first time I ever delayed in such a long time. And it's not my fault. It was beyond my control. The people then put the wrong orders in my bag. Me never go shopping it and don't have queen sheet. And I explain to you what happened and I show you what happened. See, I pay a king sheet in the order. I tell you on the phone, I tell you a voicemail, I tell you on social media. I have to sell off about some things first. Money is ration now. We just start pick up things. You know how much money me spend for the 4 months in a Marriott hotel and resident in? You know how much thousands of dollars that? Plus me just moving in one new apartment. So what me couldn't have compassion. All I have to do was to come and buy the and me went and go invest some money in the sheets them and me say wanna come buy it and whatever. And me talk it over and over. Me said people come buy the sheet, them want to go back and market buy the queen one them. Wanna want me to go sell my pussy? That's what I want me do. Go sell my pussy then. Well, me never sell my pussy now. I have to wait like a bit. Me sorry. Me have them. And when them a ship out, me now come back on social media, come sell no shit like that. Me just alright and said, I have queen, king, and full available. If you would like to call me, me now come back on social media after me ship out them here and come on social media, come talk about wanna come do this and do that. Where there is a will, there is a way. Me go up on the street, me rather go up on the street or put them down out there on the road. I saw Madam CJ Walker did. Madam CJ Walker go up on the road, go pack up her Vaseline them, her hair oil, and go into the street, in the center of the town, and buy and sell her something them. Coming on social media, you can't sell nothing for you too much. I'm only for haters the for Only for haters. All heap of haters the for fight against you. And everybody start pick up on a sell sheet now because they see on social media sell sheet. Everybody start sell sheet now. Everybody. Me watch under the dirty woman page and me the girl them over there. Give me the number, me I can start send sheet to Jamaica. Go on. Good luck too, no. I hope you can sell it off when time I send it down there. I hope you can have trustworthy family fi sell it for no, so you can get back on the money or no ship off box and barrel for too much dollars. I hope it's beneficial to you. Good luck. Good luck. So when them sister now them a fight. You understand? Yeah, you can't chat to me. You can't chat to me no time at all. You need to go bathe. You're crusty and dirty. Because you know used to bathe, I only pay a golden shower you used to take. Because you know bathe. So you need to go find a man to piss by you. Because you no love real water. Because you're a whore, so the only thing you like is when man piss by you and shit by you. And come all over your body. Maybe that's why you look so because you're not getting a good fuck lately and nobody not see you because you're done. That's why you're discolorated and look so cranny. Because every whore the way I make money supposed to look good. So if you say look like say done now you're sick now, what you do? You take crack? Because you look like somebody taking crack. That is the problem with you. You don't see you look. You need to go find somebody to piss by you. You don't say it's a walking piss spot. A enamel, dirty, cranny piss spot you look like. Get nobody? You don't see you look. Use a walking piss spot. You're cranny. Go look out for the sword, the little bumpy there for your skin. You see my skin having a bumpy? You see how my skin smooth? No filter. You see how my hand them stay? You see no liver spot, you see no bumpy there for my hand? You see no bumpy there for my hand? Nope. Nice black skin. Nice, beautiful black skin. No bleaching. Real black skin. See it there? You look for your hand back, them full of fine bump. Like you have disease. You see they have disease, a chink a bite you up at night time and crab louse. And fleas, because you have 3 mongrel dog in there. Cause them the skin there, me see a whole up there, where bumpy, a blood clot a flea bite them and chink bite them there in your bed. So you can't have a comfortable sleep. That's why they promise so. Go get some blood clot juice, put by your skin and wash it and some cursing oil and wash them yourself with it. And that if you go do. Because you're full of chink bite. And then you worry about somebody asleep on bed and on bed and you're full of chink bite. You don't have a good blood clot mattress by your bed. You not even want to put good food near your body. You know, see how you look. You look like you lack of malnutrition. You know, see when you cook or you cook a damn source of food them without nothing in them. Because you don't want to spend money for good food. You know, see how you look. You see you look cranny. I don't know which man